Joint pain isn't just a common issue for older adults with arthritis or gout. It's estimated that around 73% of arthritis patients are over 55 years old, with a surprising 60% of them being women. Osteoarthritis can even begin in your 20s, and by your 30s, you might start losing bone density, muscle mass, and joint integrity. More people in their 30s are noticing cracking sounds in their knees, lower back, and neck and shoulder joints as they move. Today, we'll explore the causes of joint pain and inflammation, discover some of the best foods for relief, and discuss how to incorporate them into your diet, considering any existing health conditions. Let's start by examining the causes of joint pain and what might make it worse. The cause of joint pain largely depends on the specific joint condition you have, and understanding these causes is crucial for effective natural remedies. Osteoarthritis is one of the most common joint conditions. It occurs when the cartilage that helps joints move smoothly deteriorates. This cartilage breakdown can be caused by aging, obesity, joint injuries, and repeated stress on the joints. Athletes and those who are physically active are also at higher risk. Rheumatoid arthritis is another prevalent condition, but it's an autoimmune disorder. This means that the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells and tissues. The exact triggers are unknown, but genetics, hormonal changes, environmental factors, and stress may play a role. Gout often affects those with a family history of the condition, but it can also develop in older adults, those who are obese, and individuals with chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, or kidney disease. Diet and lifestyle choices significantly impact gout. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a diet high in processed foods can increase risk. Foods and drinks high in added sugars, particularly those containing fructose, are known to trigger gout flare-ups. Table sugar, which is 50% glucose and 50% fructose, is a major culprit. While high-protein foods don't directly cause gout, the body's inability to process uric acid produced from certain foods can contribute to the condition. Kidney disease, dehydration, and high blood pressure can all impair the body's ability to manage uric acid, leading to gout. High blood sugar and diabetes can also increase the risk of gout by damaging the kidney's filtering units. Given these causes and risk factors, let's explore some of the best natural foods and supplements that can help repair joints and alleviate joint pain. Before we dive into our favorite foods for joint pain, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring more great content your way. First on our list is fish. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. To benefit from omega-3s while avoiding mercury, choose fish such as salmon, trout, mackerel, herring, whitefish, European anchovies. If fresh fish isn't a regular part of your diet, you might think about fish oil supplements. However, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider before starting supplements, as you could miss out on other essential nutrients found in whole fish. Frozen or canned fish is a convenient, healthy, and delicious alternative that can help manage inflammation effectively. Are you aware of how nuts and seeds can boost your fight against joint inflammation? Consuming about 1.5 ounces of nuts daily, equivalent to a small handful, can be highly beneficial. Jose M. Ordovas, PhD, Director of Nutrition and Genomics at the Jean Mayer USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging, highlights that multiple studies support nuts as a key component of an anti-inflammatory diet. One study showed that people who ate the most nuts over a 15-year period had a 51% lower risk of dying from inflammatory diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis, compared to those who consumed the fewest nuts. Another study found that lower levels of vitamin B6, which is abundant in nuts, were associated with higher inflammatory markers. Nuts are also rich in monounsaturated fats, which help fight inflammation. The best nuts and seeds for inflammation relief include walnuts, pine nuts, pistachios, and almonds. Have you ever used ginger to soothe an upset stomach? It turns out that ginger does more than just settle a crummy tummy. It's also a powerful tool for combating inflammation. Ginger contains antioxidant properties and reduces inflammatory enzymes, thanks to a compound called gingerol. While the name might sound unusual, gingerol's effects are well documented. Clinical trials have demonstrated ginger's effectiveness in managing various inflammatory conditions, including osteoarthritis and lupus. However, how you prepare ginger matters. When ginger is heated, such as in curries and soups, gingerol transforms into shogaols, which have even stronger anti-inflammatory properties. So, next time you're cooking, consider adding ginger to your dish for its enhanced health benefits. Did you know that incorporating olive oil into your daily diet can help reduce inflammation? Aim for 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil each day to reap its benefits. Olive oil is rich in heart-healthy fats and contains oleocanthal, a compound with properties similar to nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. According to Jose M. Ordovas, PhD, oleocanthal works by inhibiting CWEX enzymes, much like ibuprofen. This action helps reduce inflammation and pain sensitivity in the body. For the most health benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil, as it undergoes less refining and retains more nutrients compared to standard varieties. Have you ever wondered why turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice often found in curry and mustard, is praised for its ability to ease joint pain? The secret lies in curcumin, a compound in turmeric known for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. However, curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. To enhance its absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper, healthy fats like olive oil, or use it in heated dishes. For targeted pain relief, concentrated turmeric supplements might be effective. Since the types and dosages can vary, it's a good idea to consult a physician before starting any new supplement. Have you considered green tea for reducing inflammation? This popular beverage is packed with polyphenolic compounds that help lower inflammation throughout the body, including in your joints. Quality is crucial when it comes to green tea, not only for flavor, but also to avoid pesticides and herbicides. To minimize these risks, opt for loose leaf tea and rinse it with water before steeping. While incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet is beneficial, it's equally crucial to avoid certain foods that can worsen joint pain and increase inflammation. Processed foods, fried foods, and oils high in omega-6 fatty acids or saturated fats should be limited, as they can exacerbate inflammation. Steering clear of these inflammatory foods will help support healthier joints and overall well-being. For personalized advice, always consult with a healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and updates.